fires in the forest. But he can't do it alone. Please don't play with matches. Put out your campfires. And never ever forget the words of Smokey Bear.
Only you can prevent forest fires.
Well, we're going to try and make this video. This is my rant video for today. I do it without getting too worked up and blown over. I might win. But this is the old town. What they say, historical town. I've been over there before. I walked across the lake. I filmed over there before. Some jackass walked away from his campfire. And guess what happened? Cut him outside of there. As out this morning, it is shy of 600 acres. 45% containment. 7 hotspot crews are out here. Helicopters were going, but it's so windy today that they're going to struggle bus it. But they've got a good handle on it, and right now it's blowing back on itself, which is a good thing. But you can just see the devastation over there already. It just pisses me off big time. If you see the red lines, that's the fire retardant that they came in and dumped real quick to protect the ridge so it didn't go up and over, and the little town. But you can see that it's made it almost all the way up the damn mountain. And all because some jackass didn't put his damn campfire out. So he burned up 600 acres. And that person probably will never be caught. So if you ever watch this video to the jackass that did this, I hope you feel really stupid. A worthless piece of crap. Burned down almost 600 acres. It's just not right for them to do. All you had to do was put your damn campfire out and power. But yet you were too lazy. I mean, the lake is right there, and the campfire was off that way. But you were too lazy to go get water or even dirt to put it on your fire. You stupid jackass. But there's another hotspot crew coming in later today. You'll see it. Think of all the animals that are suddenly displaced because you did that. The osprey, the eagles, chipmunks, squirrels, deer, mountain lion, elk, all the above. You know how long it's going to take for this to come back and be green again? Because the old burn scar from several years ago is over there. It's off that direction. And we were just talking about it in the last video. But now, instead of seeing a beautiful green mountainside, we get charred remains because of some jackass. Wrong. And all you had to do was freaking put out your video. I'm going to throw some video of what it used to look like in here when it was beautiful and green. and you can compare it to now. Next week, I'll show even more of the devastation that some screw job did to this mountainside. But thankfully there's a lot of fire crews up here that have gotten a handle of it. Saved the little historical town and some houses over there. But it shouldn't have happened to begin with. If you're gonna have a campfire, be smart about it. If you can't put your hand on it, you shouldn't be walking away from it. Smokey the Bear would be crying. He probably is. Along with the Indian. The crying Indian because all the trash everywhere. This was just unnecessarily wrong. You see it up towards the top. Look at all the dead trees. Hot spots popping up. So I'm going to throw some clips in here, show you what it used to look like, and how beautiful it used to be. Now, devastation, charredness, and it's going to be quite some time before it ever looks great again. All because of one jackass didn't put out his damn fire. Just walked away from it. I'm at a loss for words. But it's not quite as intense as it was this morning. Not quite sure about containment, because I haven't talked to a Forest Service guy lately. But not so much smoldering up above here like there was this morning. A few spots down below still, but most of it has shifted to over there, back towards the original burn scar. But that's just wrong. If you see the weird red line, that's fire retardant. That's not burned parts right there. But you can see all the devastation from it. All the charcoal trees. Over there it was, gorgeously green. Sunday I'll have a comparison video. I'll show what it looks like now and what it used to look like. And it's going to take years for it to become green again. All because one stupid jackass didn't put out his campfire properly. It only takes one to ruin it for the rest of us. And that's exactly what he did. And unfortunately, he'll probably never be caught. It's probably some dumb out-of-towner. That is hotspot crews. See him in the yellow? Zooming across the lake. Probably halftime shift change. Because they do have a ground zero set up over there with all kinds of stuff. But extremely disappointing on how stupid people can be. Look at that whole mountainside right there. right next to, let's see if I can see it on camera. The praying angel. It missed the praying angel. Because if you notice, here's his hands, here's his head, here's his body. He's on his knees praying. And the fire just happens to be right here. It's kind of ironically funny. Sort of. Weird. But that just sucks. It only takes one jackass and the whole mountainside goes up. We can't even go fishing. As a whole, both lakes are off limits because of it right now, which is understandable. But it still sucks that one stupid ass person did this. Because they were too lazy to put their damn campfire out. It's wrong. That's exactly why every single campfire we walk past, we put our hand in. Because nobody puts it out like they're supposed to. If you can't drown it out, you smother it out. And you don't walk away until you can put your hand on it. Yeah. There's at least 4 hot spots still.
Yeah.
You see the orange blaze.
Mm-hmm.
And a few more over there. And we just passed a bunch of the hotshot crews. That's just wrong. Every red dot you see is a hot spot on the side of the damn mountain. And all because some asshat didn't properly put out his fire. That area's gonna be hot for a while.
Wait, use the shovel and bucket of water, remember? Drown, stir, drown, feel.
Where'd you learn that?
SmokeyBear.com. Don't want to start a wildfire, right?
Only you can prevent wildfires.
Only